Hello guys, welcome to Python tutorial. Today we're gonna learn about installing Python and the best ID that you can use in the market. Also, we're gonna learn how to open up Python and run it on command prompt. And the first step, go to python.org. Once you are in python.org, uh, scroll down to downloads. Go to Python download 3.72. I've already downloaded it. Once you are done downloading, open the file. Once you open the file, make sure you hit the run button. Once you're done hitting the run button, it will prompt you to the install Python 3.70. Once you are done, make sure that you check the button add Python 3.7 to path. Once you hit the add Python 3.72, this is very useful, so as the IDE can be able to or the interpreter will be placed in your execution path. Then click install. Once you click install, the setup progress begins. As the process begins, this will take a few seconds or minutes. Once the setup progress is done, make sure you will reach the setup was successful. And once all this is done, make sure you get to check if Python is working. Let's try searching for Python in the search bar and run it. Once this shows that Python is installed successful, you can be able to run it. You can do other things on it. This is the Python IDE. You can do any mathematicals like 5 plus 5. This is gonna give us 10. We hit the 10, hit the enter button. This is gonna give us 10. Or you can just do a simple program like print hello world, and it's also gonna give us the correct output. As you can see, it has given us the correct output. Now this is the IDE, which means integrated development environment, but there is also better IDEs out there like Pycharm, Anaconda, Spider, and many more. And the best for now that we're gonna use in this tutorial is Pycharm. Head over to your browser. Once you're in your browser, you can search for Pycharm, and it's made by the JetBrains. This is the best in the industry. And also for Pycharm has two IDs. I'm gonna click on this download now. This is gonna promote us to the download page, either for the professional or for the community. As I told you, there are two types of IDs they offer. The full featured, this is for the professional, and the community, this is the lightweight IDE. The difference with these two is that professional, you can do web development, while the community, you can still do the scientific development. But in this case, we are interested in the community because we are the beginners. And you're gonna click the download button. Once the download starts, install it. And once it is installed, we can head over to JetBrains. This is its icon. Make sure you are ready with it. Once it's installed, now we can begin to code. This is for the next tutorial. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you very much. Let's meet on the next tutorial.